My name is Amanda, and I would be honored to be your guide as we spend a few mindful moments together. Make sure you're in a comfortable spot. And just slowly and gently close your eyes and just make sure you feel comfortable. To be mindful is to be aware of this moment and not think about things in the past or things that might be happening in the future. It's being right here, right now. So with your eyes closed, what sounds do you hear around you? How does your body feel? Do you notice any sensations? Or can you even feel the air touching your skin? Just take notice of what you hear, what you smell, how you're feeling. Our body will take breaths in and out for us without us even noticing. But it's nice to take a few moments to really focus on the sound and feeling of the air going in and out. So let's take some breaths together. Let's inhale gently through your nose. And as you inhale through your nose, notice how your lungs fill up and expand. And now slowly and gently blow out all the air. Great work. Let's do that again. Inhale through your nose. Notice the air coming in through your nose. Notice your lungs expanding and getting bigger. And when you can't take in any more air, start to gently blow out and let all the air out. Now do another one on your own. Now let's imagine you're in a forest, walking along a beautiful path. You see really pretty flowers and trees surrounding you. There's birds chirping, and you're feeling really happy and peaceful. Over to the right, you notice a pond. As you get close to the pond, you see the water is glistening. It's the most beautiful pond you've ever seen. Feels so calm here, so serene, just so peaceful. You see a shiny gem on the ground. You bend over and you pick up the gem. And you look a little closer. The gem has a word on it. The word is calm. C-A-L-M. Calm. As you hold it in your hand, your whole body feels calm and relaxed. Anything you might be thinking about or worrying about just goes away. When you hold this stone, you feel the power of calmness, peacefulness. You feel safe and you feel protected. As you leave the pond, you put the calm stone in your pocket, and you know that you have the power of calm and peace anytime you need it. It's right there. as we come back to the room, place your hands over your heart. And you can repeat these words either in your head or out loud. Here we go. I am mindful. I am peace. I am thankful. I am happy. I am lovable. I am talented. I am helpful. I am safe. I am protected. I am calm. Now notice yourself feeling everything really is okay. You're such a light in this world and bring so much joy to so many people just by being you. So maybe now put a little smile on your face, or maybe even a big smile. You are so loved.